Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you a new update for Crawlomatic, and starting from today we'll be able to also scrape URLs from API responses, from JSON responses. So let me show you this in action. It can scrape any API response like this in the JSON format. So let's copy an example URL. This is the WordPress API from TechCrunch, and let me show you how you can extract links from it. So click settings and scroll down until you see do not scrape seed URL, because we don't want to scrape the content of this URL response. We only want to crawl links which are included in it. And here in the seed page crawling query type, select the new JSON file from API settings field. And if you leave it like this without adding a query string, then the plugin will automatically detect all links from the API response. If you want this, you can leave it by default, or if you don't want to auto detect all links but you want to filter which links you want to crawl, then you can go in and write an expression. So in the case of this JSON, let's add it into a JSON formatter so we can see it better. We can see that the right brackets here will form an array. This is an array of multiple entries, and each entry has an ID, date, modified slug, and link. We want to point the plugin to the link part of each entry. So to do this, we write the expression like this: open right bracket, star, close right bracket. This means that the plugin will do all entries from this right bracket. So all entries will be processed, and right point link. This means that the link entry, the link parameter from each JSON entry. So the link will be extracted from each entry. And now we can save, and we will be able to run this after this. So yeah, we will be able to successfully scrape this feature. Now let me show you another type of API response. This is it. So we got already the green checkmark that scraping was successful. So this is another type of API response. Here we don't have the right brackets. So let me also show this in a more beautiful way. So you can see that we don't have the right brackets, we have instead data. And in this case we can do the same. First check this, set JSON here, and instead of writing right brackets, write data point. This means that we get this data, once again data, and if you check the second data, it has a bracket. This means that the data includes an array of items once again, and in case the array of items is found, just write like this to go in and do all the array of items and get the attribute from it. So which attribute should we get? Let me see. Website URL, this is the one. And if we scroll down, we will see website URL once again. So point website URL. So data, and for each entry in the array, do website URL. Save, run, and we will see once again the green check mark appears, as it will scrape the URL correctly this time. So keep in mind, this will be able to be pointed to any API entry API node. Here it is, the results that we scraped. Okay, so you can get your own API and learn how to write the expressions. Keep in mind, if you see a right bracket, then it is an array. Use expressions in this format to parse all entries from the array and write the attribute that you want to get the value from, like this. Okay, so this is all for today. Crawlomatic is linked in this video's description. Let me know your thoughts of this. This is all. I hope you enjoy it. Until next time, bye bye. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.